Rainforest Day.
You want my cheese so bad? Then take it.
The power is mine. Wait, no, it's too much.
Escape!
I'm still green, it didn't work! Oh, wait, that's my normal green.
Dreamy baby.
Not a baby! Not a baby! Antenna, here! What about Poe?
Have you seen Poe?
No, he's not here.
Poe? Poe? Why isn't he back?
Dragon Warrior.
Wait! Whoa!
Rainforest Day.
I can't believe it. Oh, you are extra shiny.
As are you.
I know, right? It's like the best cape ever. When I run with it, then it looks really cool.
It suits you. You've grown.
Yeah, gotta lay off the panda buffet.
Grown up. As I hoped you would when I sent the message to your father.
You sent me universe mail. Whoa!
Yes. Because the universe needed you. You finally became the panda you were always meant to be.
But how'd you know I could?
On the first day we met, I saw the future of Kung Fu. And
Rainforest.
I saw the panda who could unite them both. That is why I chose you, Poe. Both sides of the yin and yang. And my true successor.
It was just a few days, but it felt like forever.
Just take it.
One.
I have a bigger one. I mean, you're enlightened and everything. I'm just... Oh. Really?
Yes.
Now what do we do?
You tell me.
No! Oogway, don't go!
I'm not going anywhere. I live here.
Oh, right.
It's you who must decide whether to stay or go.
Try to.
Wait, I can go back?
Who knows? I've never tried.
Disappearing in petals ever again. We thought we lost you. No, you saved me. You all did. Now come on over here. Hugs. Master Sheepu.
Rainforest Day. I go at the same time.
Oh, this. Oogway gave it to me in the spirit realm.
Oh, of course he did.
I think I mastered Chi.
Oh,
Of course you did. Can you teach me?
Ready!
Spooky, help me!
Rainy baby.
Get him off me!
Skadoosh.
And asthma.
Now we're here. Rainforest Day. Hey, check this out. I wanted him to do to the people. Rainforest Day. I wanted to come with snow.